Welcome back. What did I call you guys today? Cheetos? You know, pet names are cute names, so this is just not my thing. But chilling the other day, and I was just scrolling through YouTube and doing stuff, and I just realized everyone is just posting, glow ups, and I was like, all I'm getting is fuck ups. Where is my glow up yet? All the fuck ups together. My exams went crazy bad. I don't know what. I even feel traumatic. I don't know, it was hard luck or what. Like, these were like, they were like the worst exams of my life, and I don't know like how I'm gonna deal with it if something bad happens. And what is wrong? I have like an AHA purge on my face because yes, I'm using that. Also that my hair are becoming really dry. I'm having hair fall. मेरे बाल इतने छोटे से हैं और उसमें भी hair fall हो रहा है. You know what, you guys? Like the glow up that we actually need is in here. I think if your mindset is glowed up, I don't think you need anything else. So yeah, we're done with that. We're done with that. So if this is glowed up, bitch, you don't need anything else in your life. Work on some external glow ups. So I washed my hair. Of course, my hair wouldn't look good at all because it's the first day. I think, and the makeup today we're gonna do is smoky brownish makeup. Like it's like a hot makeup for me. I have titled it as my favorite hot makeup. So also I'm going to use a very different technique of makeup. I've been on Snapchat a lot lately and I've been watching all these makeup tricks and everything like that. So today we're going to do makeup a little bit differently. So yeah, So for prepping my skin, I'm using the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer SPF. This is not my favorite sunscreen at all. This is very greasy, बहुत oily. बहुत ज़्यादा oily है. If I have a dry skin, it would work great. Instead of this, I would any day go for the Lakme SPF 50. It has a white cast, which is very bad. But वो थोड़े टाइम बाद चली जाती है, तो I don't think it's that problematic. But I really love that sunscreen a lot. It has really helped me with my skin cut texture. Apart from the white cast, I don't think there's any problem in that sunscreen. But the ingredients are perfect and everything. So yeah, you can just try on that. मेरे Bollywood से पहले से भरोसा उठ चुका है, but काफी टाइम से. But Bollywood has been in my blood till 2018. तो थोड़ी याद आ गई मुझको Bollywood की. मैं सोचा कि फिर से एक बार देख लेती हूँ. मैंने राधे देखी. So yes, we're gonna take the concealer first and we're gonna apply on some specific spots as this woman said in her video. And let me just run with that one. Right. After that, we need to take the contouring and I'm gonna take like a liquid contour for that. So let me just. This was the position of the contouring. We start from the eyebrows till the nose and everything. So let me just blend that. I genuinely adore a dark contour, like I really like my face to be brown. Like it's really felt this was super great, but I think I ruined it. But I think it would be a great technique, And for the rest of the face, we need to apply the foundation only for the place that we were left with. Well, I think this is looking really fine. But I think मेरी ही गलती है जहाँ मैंने थोड़ी गलती कर दी. But anyway, I think this is looking really good. So the next I'm going to go with the eyes. I'm going to make my brows first. Also, I've been obsessed with Doja Cat's new song, You're Right. Like, this is so nice, Do my brows. This is more thicker than this. I'm a makeup pro. I'm a pro. So next we're going to go on with the brown eyeshadow. This is something super amazing. This is the Revolution Hypnotic.
I love it. There's no other thing.
A beautiful palette. Look at the damn colors. Look at the perfect browns and the golden and everything. It's such a party palette, bro. Like I'm obsessed with it. I love it. भाई रे गड़बड़ हो गया. एक लिमिट तक ही तुम अपनी गलतियाँ ठीक कर सकते हो. फिर कभी वो गलतियाँ ठीक नहीं होती. Okay, now this is not perfection. I don't know what is it. Last step we are left with is the wing, bitch. So let's do that. Let's ruin it. Please, if this is perfection, I don't know what is it then. I don't know. Okay, let me just put on the kajal for the final one, and then I'm gonna put on the lashes and stuff. So थोड़ा सा just only on the waterline I'm using the Faces Canada Magnetic Eyes. Magnetic eyes, if you apply this and go on a date, like the guy would be like looking into your eyes, nowhere else. Then you guys will fall in love and shit. Like if you guys want to go on a date, don't go on a date. Don't date. Enjoy your life. Yeah. My eyes are watering. MP4 or मुझे. I'm not sure if it's gonna work or not. One of the best mascara in the world, Lash Sensational Waterproof Maybelline New York. I can't believe that. Wow, this is so good. This is so perfect, girl. So next I'm gonna go and finish my makeup look with one and only. I love this lipstick a lot. This lipstick is my life. This lipstick is my love, my life, my world. Shut up. Yeah, this is my glam. Micro cheating, alright? Micro. Not like I hate cheating. Cheating is the worst thing. I don't understand why people cheat. I don't understand why people cheat. Are you guys dumb? Like, you guys don't have a heart? You guys don't have a heart? If you really attract to someone else when you're in a relationship, just tell your partner that, just tell them. Just tell them. Don't do anything behind their back. Like, someone expects loyalty, trust, friendship. And someone expects that, and you're just gonna go. There are some people who exist like that they stop feeling for their partners, whether in a relationship. Just tell them that, hey, I'm not feeling it, and I think we should just go our separate ways, whatever. But do not do anything behind their back. Like, nobody just do that. Like, this is so bad. Be kind, be good. So now that we're done with our lipstick as well, let me just put on a setting spray and we're done with the makeup finish. How can I even leave my blush? It's okay.
That and they ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't.
Yeah, so we are done with that, and let me just guys, now let me just get ready and wear the dress and have tea or coffee, or just change my outfit real quick now. This is the worst combination ever created, but yeah, let me just now peach that's my girl. This is my not so glowy glow up, graceful at the same time, but this is so classy, elegant, patterned. If you guys are watching this not so glowy glow up, make sure to press the like button below and do not forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Yeah, he owns it. Yeah, he worth it.